Today, I'm gonna show you some real world uses for AI that you'll only find here at FlashFilm Academy. These are ways to make more money without doing more work. And as we go down this list, each one will make more money than the last. Okay? You got it? So stick with me on this one. Trust me, I got you. Let's get started. This is FlashFilm Academy. This ain't some guru channel living off brand deals and selling pipe dreams. We don't sell fantasies. We build profitable content businesses. Every strategy is battle tested and used to land real clients, real contracts, and real results by me and real FlashFilm Academy members actively in the trenches. We're here to help those who want to build a business, not just a portfolio. Listen, AI isn't replacing videographers anytime soon. It's getting close, but it's not there yet. What it is doing though is creating the biggest upsell opportunity we've seen in years. Now let me say this, because the strategies we're covering today will align with what we call the Flash 5 framework. Now that's our system for turning a production company into a predictable income machine. Now, inside of FlashFilm Academy, we use 5 specific AI tools in addition to that Flash 5 framework. Those tools, when paired with the framework, are what produce the results I'm about to share with you. But the strategy comes first. The tools just simplify it. And listen, feel free to take these strategies and implement them on your own. I'm giving the game to you for free. My goal today is to share 5 ways we're currently using AI in our business that have been tested in the field, used with real clients, and proven to work. All right? Cool. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, AI-powered industry intelligence and deal closing analytics. As a videographer today, you should be operating with AI-powered industry intelligence. Use whatever platform you want. What matters is capability. You need to be able to analyze your client's specific industry, their geographic market, their demographic targets, their competitors, their service category, and their content performance landscape. This isn't generic internet data. It's hyper-specific to that client. It should tell you what topics are underserved, what formats perform best, ideal video length, vertical versus landscape performance, retention patterns, whether a content series statistically outperform a single video in their space. And ideally, your system should even help generate scripts word for word designed to capitalize on those data-backed opportunities. Now, here's what that does for the client, because I want you to keep in mind for a second, content is not tangible. Your client can't hold it in their hands, so they may have doubts. So we remove those doubts with proof. Sometimes I run these reports live during a discovery call. When those graphs appear, the energy shift, they lean forward, they start asking better questions. Closing becomes easy. It's like a doctor showing you an x-ray, then prescribing a cast, medication, physical therapy for 2 years. Just that one x-ray justified billing you for 2 years. Analytics justify your strategy the same way. We've used this to expand projects into multiple video campaigns, showing statistics on why series perform better than a one-off video in their industry. And trust me, you'll get clients come to you for one video, and we bring this up all the time. This also helps gatekeepers secure larger budgets by providing visual data they can present to their upper management. That's completely different from trying to upsell another camera angle and hoping they understand how using a drone on set will somehow increase their ROI. Plus, clients don't feel manipulated with you trying to get another camera angle. They see the logic, they see the numbers. Plus, providing customer-specific analytics, direction, and a script backed by proof builds authority in your brand, and it eliminates your competition. Now let's talk about increasing perceived value without increasing production labor or cost, which equals more profit for you. Number 4, AI-generated video content and cinematic enhancements. As a videographer today, you should be leveraging AI-generated video content as a production multiplier. Use whatever tool fits your workflow. What matters is the capability. Let's say you're interviewing a CEO who tells you a story about climbing Mount Everest. You can now generate realistic cinematic footage to support his story, taking the production level through the roof. That alone increases engagement and watch time. I mean, seriously, think about it. Just 3 years ago, that level of production was 6 figures. Yeah, you could shoot it on the green screen, but most of it looked fake. Now it looks real, but AI isn't the value. Your storytelling, your editing, your color grading, your ability to blend AI with real footage so it looks high end. That's what make you valuable. Anyone can generate it. Not everyone can blend AI with real content in a way that feels premium. Clients feel like they're starring in a Hollywood level production. You charge premium enhancement prices. Your labor doesn't increase, but your margins expand. Now let's move from perception to measurable long-term growth. Number 3, AI optimized AEO and automated distribution. As a videographer today, you should be using systems that give you the capability to optimize titles and descriptions, structure metadata for Google and AI indexing, and enhance discoverability in GPT-driven searches. And remember, it's not just SEO anymore. AEO matters as well. For those who don't know, AEO is answer engine optimization. It means structuring content so AI-powered search engines, voice assistants, and chatbots can directly cite your content. Now, your system should identify high-performance segments, create short-form clips designed to drive traffic back to the long-form content. All right, creating valuable backlinks. It should also have the ability to structure those shorts strategically throughout the year to extend the lifespan of the video, releasing new shorts when views begin declining to drive fresh traffic back. Automatically scheduling them across Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X based on current trending topics per platform. Now, the client benefit is the video keeps working. With our clients, we even re-optimize the video around 90 days just to see if the title, description, and keywords are still benefiting the growth of the video. That gives them a Chick-fil-A style customer service experience. And it shows that we stand behind our work. It doesn't feel like we disappearing after the invoice has been paid. It feels like a partnership. Now let's talk about engagement turning into revenue. Number 2, AI-powered engagement and conversation automation. As a videographer today, you should be offering AI-powered engagement automation. Use whatever system fits your workflow. What matters is the capability. Your setup should monitor comments, respond instantly, send coupon codes, send booking links, send product links, and move conversations into DMs. It should continue nurturing automatically across Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Now let's talk about the benefit to the client. No leads get ignored. No opportunities slip through the cracks. For you, about 1 hour of setup work, one time, that turns into a recurring monthly revenue between $1,000 and $5,000 per month, depending on volume. This turns engagement into infrastructure. And if you don't believe me, post a comment below. You're talking to AI, bro. Number 1, AI avatar cloning. Film once, future-proof everything. As a videographer today, you should be offering AI avatar cloning. It works like this. You capture a client's likeness once, now they can generate unlimited professional videos from text. I've personally had clients request a neutral spokesperson because they were afraid of putting someone on camera who may not be with the company later or who may get caught in a scandal or something like that. Now this future-proof training, internal communications, and promotional content. But this requires trust. Listen to me. If you don't have a brand, it's going to be hard to do this because this requires strong NDAs because you're responsible for their likeness. They don't want to turn on the TV and see themselves saying something they've never approved. To pull this off, you need solid brand reputation. This isn't entry-level work, but when done right, this is how you get paid off one shoot for years. Now, if you're afraid of AI, your competition isn't. We're in the golden era. Powerful enough to generate revenue, simple enough to learn quickly, and is not yet saturated. Everything I mentioned today can be learned in less than a day and implemented with your next client. These are conversations happening inside of FlashFilm Academy. Our students have been implementing these strategies for at least the last 18 months. And I'm gonna be real, this is the type of stuff you miss on the outside. So stop selling footage, start selling leverage. We live in a world where every business around you need content. Why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to answer that question, join FlashFilmAcademy.com. And for the rest of you guys, there is a part 2. We're going to dive into exactly what these tools are so you know where to get them. And we're going to show you the unlimited glitch where you can pay one time on some of these tools and get them for life, giving you unlimited profit. True story. Anyway, for those ready for part 2, I'll see you in the inside. For everybody else, I'll see you in the next video.
Hi, my name is Marcus Alves. I'm the project manager and owner of Edifying Pursuits Media. I want to share my time before FlashFilm Academy, where I was making 400, 500, maybe 1,000, and now constantly making 5,000, 6,000 a month. I believe that FlashFilm is definitely worth every single penny. It transformed my business.